We've seen the internet go from a generic one-size-fits-all experience to something more relevant and personalized. That personalization is powered by data and machine learning. This is how businesses can reach target audiences with the most relevant message at the right time. As people share more online, they want to understand how their data is being used, especially on digital platforms like Facebook. These questions have pushed the industry to evolve to meet people's expectations and ensure that businesses are more transparent. Governments are passing new privacy laws, and web browsers are enacting policies that limit or block the use of cookies, which limits the effectiveness of personalized ads. This means that businesses will now need to evolve how they're collecting and sharing data if they want to reach people who have expressed interest in their brand, optimize ads toward conversions, and more accurately measure and report campaign results. Fortunately, privacy and personalization can coexist. By adapting together, we can grow alongside the changing ad ecosystem. We're rethinking our approach and investing in a multi-year effort to build a portfolio of privacy-enhancing technologies that minimize how much personal information we process, while maintaining the ability to show people personalized ads and measure effectiveness. Stay ahead of industry changes by trying new strategies. Click the link to maximize ad performance, strengthen data practices, and track the latest industry changes. Want to learn more? Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tutorials.